Let's dive into how to change the priority of your tasks in Jira, a crucial skill for effective project management. First, you'll need to identify the issue, also known as the task, you want to prioritize. This could be located on the Jira dashboard, the backlog, or within a specific project. Select the desired task. Once you've selected your issue, open it. You'll typically find this from the 3 dots in the upper right corner. The issue's details will appear next. Look for the priority field. It might be located near the top, alongside fields like summary and issue type, or maybe underneath in the panel fields. Now, click on the current priority level. This will open a drop-down menu displaying your available priority options, which usually comprise of predefined options such as highest, high, medium, low, and lowest. Choose the priority level that best reflects the task's importance by clicking on the appropriate option. Take ample thought to consider the impact of the tasks and ensure that the most important ones are prioritized at the top. After selecting the priority, all changes are made automatically. Jira saves the new prioritization setting. Now, the task's priority is effectively updated. Changing a task's priority is a simple yet essential step toward efficient task management, making sure you tackle the most crucial items first.